I got the street academic on track to come. I'm from the baddest hood ever created out on the west side. Raw Nui, bred from pain, throw up your hand signs. Grew up around thugs, surrounded by the rages. Had my name wherever I could, up on the pavement. Aerosol spray can on a clean campus fence line. Recognition was a must. Forget red and blue headlines. I'm the ghetto street kid running around with no ears, doubting and dominating west side without the fear.
Rose is a Rarotongan lyricist proudly representing Ranui, West Auckland. Rose possesses a raw yet vocally diverse lyrical style. Rose was a member of Waitek hip-hop crew Madism in '99. Since that time, Rose has kept on the underground scene, slowly developing material. Rose has appeared on albums Kinetic Underground, Infinite Rentster Mixtape 06 and the unnamed Kinetic Mixtape 08. Rose's first solo project, The Underestimated Mixtape, is due for release soon. Rose internet video in development.